This tutorial is important as it's going to help you make the right decision when you want to purchase already used PC. Okay, so the first step you need to take is to click on this start button. Then click inside the search space and type CMD. We are typing CMD because we want to work with this command prompt. Alright, so right click on this command prompt and select run as administrator. A notification will show up on your screen asking you if you want the program to make changes to your PC. Alright, select the yes option. Okay, so click on yes. Now you will see an interface that looks like this. Okay, in this space we are going to type a command here, alright, that will help us get what we need. And that command reads powercfg space / battery report. Okay, so I have it on the screen and I will also have it in the description, so you can check the description and then copy and paste here. Alright, powercfg space / battery report. Alright, no space, everything will be one. Okay, you can say it here. Then after that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. So this gives us this result. So copy from here to this .html. Alright, so I'm going to copy from here, then down to this place. Okay, so I've highlighted it, Ctrl+C to copy. Okay, so the next step you need to take is to open your web browser. So use Chrome. In this case, I recommend Google Chrome. So I will double click on it. So whether there is internet connection or not, this is going to work. Okay, so here paste that you copied. Alright, Ctrl+V for it to be pasted, then press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Okay, this has given us some information about our PC currently. Okay, so it's going to bring out this information from your own end, something different and unique. So this section, battery report, has some details about your PC. All right, for example, computer name and system product name and the rest. But that's not what we need. We need to get to this section, so you need to scroll down to get to this section. So I'm going to scroll down from here. Okay, so this is what we need. All right, this section we are going to use few information from here, which are design capacity and full charge capacity. All right, this value here, the full charge capacity, is going to be divided by this design capacity. This is the capacity of the battery when it was newly manufactured. All right, so we are going to do the division, and from there we continue. So I'm going to launch the calculator app of my PC. So here I'm going to type this value 38179. all right, that's 8,179, then divided by 41,040, divide by 41,040. okay, then equal sign. These are giving me this value. All right, so I'm going to multiply by 100. Equals. So that means the battery life of this PC I'm using right now, this is my PC, is 93%, which is cool. So if you can get anything from 70 up, that is fine. And this battery lasts long. It lasts for up to 5 hours when in use. So with this, you will find out this value. But listen, this works if the PC you're working on has the inbuilt battery, has the full battery. Okay, the battery that comes with PC is still active in it. All right, if maybe the battery has been changed, it may not work. So if you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment so that YouTube will push this content to more people. Thank you and see you some other time.